alright.
You have to print.
This is the latest.
Ah,
This is the latest mule that Helga rescued.
see.
This is Alibaba.
Alibaba.
Hi, Ali.
احبس انا راه بغي يصور احبس احبس راه تيصور
Hey. Now. Hi, Ali. You want a carrot or you want a banana?
علي
Hello, hello, what are you up to?
علي
Dalmatian.
She has plenty of Dalmatians.
Wow. Wow. Hot place.
Bonjour. Les amis. Allez, tiens.
Yeah. Little cats have got 2 legs. Haven't you?
He's been here since he was a kid.
Really?
Il y a quelque chose là, ici, pour petit chat.
Le petit oui
Les petits laits, voilà. Il faut l'enlever.
ah les petits encore
Les quécons du
Oh,
chien.
yeah.
Du chien.
Yeah.
Voilà, voilà, regarde.
ouais
Quand même. Hein. Attention, non, non, non. Non, attention, attention. Non, elle va la tirer. Elle va la tirer. Surtout
They're really.
Can I go? Look at the cat. The cats are brave. Because there's no water on the shelter premises at the moment, everything has to be bought in. Hello, hello. And these little puppies. donkeys.
Don't.
Hello, Sonny. Wait. Oh, look. You're lively, aren't you? There you go. Oh.
But as you see,
It doesn't stop him.
no. When he's running, sometimes he's faster than other ones.
Is he?
Yeah.
It's really wonderful to see how the animals are so well treated here, especially after what we've seen of the animals in the Medina in Marrakech, where donkeys are worked terribly hard and sometimes worked to death. All the animals here, the donkeys, the dogs, cats, monkeys, parrots, they're all treated very well. They've got a large space to be in, they've got shelter, food and water. It's fantastic, really. So if you're looking to support a charity in Morocco, this is as good a place as any. It costs a lot to run this place, 5,000 euros per month just to feed the animals. So it's well worth supporting. It needs your help. Hello, donkey.
He's very calm.
Yeah, very calm.